All right, everyone, let's talk about a punctuation mark that adds a little flair to your writing, the dash. Dashes are like the dramatic actors of punctuation. They interrupt, emphasize, and add extra information. And don't mix them up with hyphens. Hyphens work differently. A dash does three big things in a sentence. First, it can replace parentheses to add extra information. It makes the interruption feel stronger. For example, my best friend, dash, who just moved to Texas, dash, called me last night. See how the dashes set off that extra detail? You could use parentheses, but dashes make it stand out a little more. Next, dashes are great for dramatic pauses, when you want the reader to really stop and focus. Like this. I opened the door, dash, and there stood a giant penguin. That pause adds a little extra suspense, right? Finally, we can use a dash instead of a colon, again, for extra emphasis. For example, there's only one thing I need, dash, coffee. Now be careful, don't go overboard with dashes. Too many can make your writing choppy. Use them wisely, and you'll add just the right amount of style and personality to your writing. See you around!